this question we are solving by the comparing method. That means we are taking here principal as a 100. Okay, because we have to not given the principal. Okay, so simple interest will be the double. That means it is also the same. That means 100. It is already given in a question. Okay, that means money will be double. That means principal is 100. So simple interest is also 100. So 100 plus 100, 200. That means it is the double. Okay, now SI is equal to P into R into T, then upon 100. So 100 SI we have put, then P is 100, rate is 8, and T we have to not given upon 100. Here 100 will cancel. Okay, then in next step 100 is equal to 8 into T. Okay, then when this 8 will go to the next side, it becomes 100 upon 8 is equal to T. You can directly divide or you can write it in the steps. Okay, so T is equal to 25 upon 2, 25 upon 2 years. That means T will be the 25 by 2 when it is after dividing, so you will get the answer. Okay, so you will get the answer 2.5 years, 12.5 years. 0.5 years means 6 half year, that means 6 months. 12 years 6 months. Okay, 0.5 because it is given the 0.5. Okay, half year means 6 months, so that's why I have written here the 6 months. 12 years 6 months, this is your answer. Okay, then whatever is given, suppose 2 lakh, 20 lakh, okay, it depends. But see, rate of interest is given 8%, so your time will be the 2 years and 6 months. Now after that we will see solve the question number 6. We have to find here in question number 6, we have to find here the rate percent. What we have to find here? R. Find the rate percent if the SI on the rupees 275. Okay, in 2 years is rupees 22. So P is given 275. How much is the P? 275. T is also given 2 years, and SI is given rupees 22. These all the things are given in the question only. I have not taken from anywhere. These all the things are given in a question only. So SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Then put the value. SI is 22, P is 275, R is into R into T divided by 100. Okay, so calculate this. So which will be the 55, 20 divided by again 11 upon 4, 2 1 the 2 2 the. So the next step 22 into 11 into R. Okay, 11 into R upon 2. We have to find the value of R, so you can send this all the thing to the left side. Okay, so 2 become numerator and 11 become denominator. So 22 into 2 okay is equal to 11R. You can do this in the, you can increase one step, 11 will come this side, so it become divide. So 22 into 2 upon 11 is equal to R. So 11 1 the 11 2 the 2 into 2 is 4. So R is equal to 4%. So what is the rate percent? Which will be the 4%. This is your answer. Okay, that means you got the answer. I hope you have understood. After that we will move to the next question. Okay, 7 you can solve. Okay, 7 you can solve. So we will see the question number 8. This is the last question now. We will see the question number 8. Question number 8 is there. So here in question number 8, here we have to find the rate of interest. So R is question mark, I have written. So P is there. P is equal to 3750. Okay, 3750. Then you have to given the amount also here. Okay, so you can use amount and principal formula. Easily we will get the interest. Okay, then we will subtract from principal from amount. So amount is given 4650. 4650, this is the amount. Then time is equal to 4 years, it is given in a question. These all the things are given in a question. Now we are solving the finding the SI first. Okay, SI amount is equal to P plus I. Okay, then put the values. Okay, from the above, amount is 4650 is equal to P is 3750 plus I is not given. So send this 3750 to the left side, so it become minus 4650 minus 3750 is equal to I. Okay, then I is equal to, do the calculation, 0 0 here is 9. Okay, so I is equal to 900. So I become 900. I is equal to 900. So now you got the I. So after that, what we have to find here? Rate of interest here we have to find. So R is equal to, so SI we will use the formula SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Then put the value. Okay, SI is 900, we have find out. P is 3750. R is as it is. T is 4 years, we have to give 1 upon 100. Upon 100, 0 get cancelled. Then do the calculation. Okay, here 75 the 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the 75 into 2. 900 is equal to 75 into 2 R into R. So we can send this to the left side. 900 upon 75 into 2 is equal to R. Then you can do these calculations very easily. Okay, then (36) here. So R is equal to 6%. This is our answer.